Right. So, what is that we are learning now is sine of a plus b, number one, prove that.
అమ్మా డానియల్ ప్రశాంత్ కి ఫోన్ చేయి ఏం క్లాస్ కి డౌట్ లేదని
ఎవరు మ్యామ్?
డానియల్
Number one,
ప్రశాంత్ ఏం రాలేదు క్లాస్ కి
sine
ఫోన్
of a
చేయాలి.
plus b
చేస్తాను చేస్తున్నాను
is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b.
Plus cos A sin B.
Sin B.
Number two, cos of a
Cos of A plus B. Cos A
Cos
sin
B
cos B
cos a cos b
minus
cos
sin A sin B.
minus
Minus sin A sin B.
sin B.
Okay, now let us have the construction of this. Let us have the construction to prove this. It is very simple, just follow this carefully. Like this. Because all these trigonometric ratios are defined in a right angled triangle. All these trigonometric ratios are defined in a right angled triangle. So we have to construct right angled triangles here. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm creating right angled triangles by creating these two angles first. What is that? Angle A and angle B. So for that purpose, I have taken two rays. This is one ray, first ray horizontal, second ray making an angle A, and third ray also I'm taking up, this is making an angle B. So how I construct the right angle triangle now, you will understand. Just see this. So I'm marking up the angles now. I'm marking up the angles now. This is first one is angle A. This is angle A. And this is angle B.
Angle B.
Angle B.
Then what is the total angle, please?
A plus B.
A plus B.
This is what the construction you have to understand.
Sin A plus B.
Why should we construct like this? Because we need that sin A plus B,
A plus
cos
B.
A plus B. We need. That is why we have constructed like this. Now let me construct the triangles now. Covering these angles, I'll construct the triangles. So first triangle is I'm dropping a perpendicular from this ray to this one. Now thereby I have got one right angle. This is one right angle.
980.
Okay, similarly, I'll drop another perpendicular. From this to this in such a way that it meets at its end, and this is also 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
We have to take this length. We have to take this length in such a way that it makes a right angle here. So how many triangles we have got here? The below one is one right angle and above one is another right angle. Now let me construct the third right angle. This is third right angle is this. So how many right angle triangles do you have now?
3 right angle
Three right
triangles.
angle triangles. 3 right angle triangles. Now I am constructing third one also by drawing another perpendicular here like this. So this becomes now another right angle. So
90.
now you can see how many right angle triangles are there. Totally
Four right
four
angle
are there.
triangles.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angle triangles are there. Now let me name this. Let me name these right angle triangles. This is, let me say, P, Q,
PQRS button.
PQRS
E.
R, S,
Yes.
T,
TU.
PQRS
U.
U na? Okay. Let us make it U. So all are named now. Okay. Now my purpose is I have to find out sine of A plus B. Don't forget that first. I have to find out sine of A plus B. So now I am taking up first sine of A plus B. And in triangle, this one, PST, in triangle PST, you tell me, in triangle PST, you tell me what is sine of A plus B, please. Anyone. What is sine of A plus B in triangle PST, please?
ST by
ST by PS.
Ha.
ST by ST.
ST by PS. Opposite side by hypotenuse.
Ha. In
ST
triangle
by
PST,
ST.
sine of A plus B, because number one I am trying out first, sine of A plus B is equal to, come on, tell me that.
ST by PS.
Opposite side
Opposite
ST
by hypotenuse.
divided by PS. Correct or not?
PS. SCR.
Okay. Now what I'm trying to do here, I want to understand this angle. Which angle? I want to understand this angle USR. Angle USR. This is only the little difficult part to understand. Follow this carefully. First of all, you tell me whose perpendicular is ST. Whose perpendicular is ST? To which line ST is
PQ.
perpendicular? PQ. That's good.
PQ.
Similarly, whose perpendicular is SR?
SR.
SR, PR. So, PQ and SR, we can say perpendicular to ST and RQ respectively. Correct or not? What I'm saying, the angle between PQR, angle between PQR or angle QPR is small capital A here, angle A here. So angle between any two lines is equal to angle between their perpendiculars. Remember that, please. Angle between any two lines is equal to angle between their perpendiculars, and hence this also becomes angle A. This is only the point you have to understand. Rest all you can understand easily. What is it I'm saying? I'm repeating that. Here, angle, come on, tell me, angle QPR. Angle QPR is equal to A, please. A. Implies angle USR is also equal to A, since angle between two lines is equal to angle between their perpendiculars. Angle between two lines is equal to angle between their perpendiculars. Bunny, do you understand this or not? If you have two lines like this, PQ one line, PR another line, angle between them is angle A. So whatever the angle is there, and that will have same angle between their perpendiculars also. This is one perpendicular, this is another perpendicular. They are intersecting here. Since this angle is A, this angle is also A. That is what you have to understand. Okay. Now after this, ST by PS is there. What we are doing, ST, please. ST, how can we split ST? Anyone, please? Here, according to this.
SU by UT.
Repeat.
SU plus UT.
SU plus UT. Yes.
SU plus UT.
SU plus UT. By PS, you write as it is. By PS, also by PS. Okay. Now, what I am trying to do, I want to split this sine of A plus B. Understand that the sine of A plus B cannot be written as sine A plus sine B, please. You cannot write this as sin A plus sin B. So we are interested to know what will be sin of A plus B. That's what we are deriving. That is why we did this construction. So SU by PS. Now, what is the corresponding hypotenuse of SU, please? Anyone? What is the corresponding hypotenuse of SU?
SR.
That's good. So I don't have that SR there. So I divided with SR and multiplied with SR. Follow this carefully, please.
By PS.
By PS. SR gets cancelled. Again, SU only remains. Okay. Similarly, what is the equivalent height of UT, please? What is the equivalent height of UT?
RQ.
RQ. What is the corresponding hypotenuse of RQ?
PR.
PR. That's
PR.
good. So I don't have PR here. So I'm dividing
PR
with
into
into PR by PS.
PS.
That's what. Now you can check. It is done. Just see this one. What is SU by SR? Anyone please? SU by SR. Cos A. What is cos A?
Cos A. Cos A.
Cos A.
That's it. Cos A.
Cos A.
What is SR by PS, please? SR. SR. Where is SR here? SR by PS. SR by PS here. PS is hypotenuse there. In triangle PRS, you have to talk about this. And triangle PRS, please.
Sin B, sir.
Triangle PRS, you tell me what is sin B? Sin B.
Sin B.
Sin
Sin B.
Sin B. Cos A sin B.
Sin B.
Plus RQ by PR, please. RQ by PR. This one RQ by PR. No.
Cos.
RQ by PR.
Sin A.
Sin
Sin
A.
A.
Opposite side. PR by RS, please. PR by PS, please.
Cos B.
Where is it?
Cos B.
PR by PS. PR by PS. It
Cos
is
B.
cos B. Finished. Just see that. It's done. Where did we start? Sin of A plus B. What is sin of A plus B? Finally, we have got sin A cos B plus cos A
Sin
sin
A. Cos B.
B.
Into Cos A. Sin B.
Every one of you, please respond. Philip,
Cos B.
Sin A cos B plus cos A
Sin
sin
A. Cos B. Plus Cos A. Sin A. Sin B equals to
you
sin
can
A.
read this here in the heading. You have that now. What is sin of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
sin B.
Yeah. Let me understand from all of you. How many are attending the class today? Come on, Balaji, read that once. First one.
Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Very good. Lalit Sai, read that one. First one.
Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Yeah. Sai Teja. Sai Teja, respond. I have to prove the next one. Read the first one. Venkat Prashant. Read the first one.
Sin of A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Philip.
Sir,
Read the first one.
sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Dinesh.
Sir,
Read that.
sin of A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Sai Chen.
Sin of A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Yeah. Shiv Prakash.
Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B.
Vineet.
Sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Yeah. Sai Teja not responding.
Hello.
Sai Teja, read the first one.
Sin of A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Read that properly.
సెల్ బ్లాస్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాయి
First one,
నాకు కూడా నెంబర్ వచ్చి నేను లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు
sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
044 అనే నెంబర్ నుండి కాల్ వస్తుంది ఎవరో
బన్నీ, note చేయాలి.
సెల్ బ్లాస్ట్
సార్
అయిపోతున్నాయి
మ్యూట్ చేయమని సార్.
నాకు కూడా నెంబర్ వచ్చి నేను లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు నాకు మార్నింగ్ ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ ఆడియో పంపించారు ఇమీడియట్ గా న్యూస్ బయట మీకున్న ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కూడా అర్జెంట్ పంపించండి ఆరు లోపు కల్లా
ఎవరిది?
నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. జాగ్రత్త వేగంగా ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి
Yeah. Next one, cos of A plus B, please.
cos of A plus B.
Yeah, let us see that now. Cos of A plus B. Anyone, do you help me out? What should we replace here? This one. I am replacing sin with cos now. Ramakrishna. I am writing cos here. Cos of A plus B. Come on, tell me. What is cos of A plus B according to this diagram? Tell me cos of A plus B.
Cos of A plus B. PT by SP. PT by SP.
GT by PS.
PT by PS. No. In triangle PST, you have the triangle also clearly written there. I need cos of A plus B, adjacent side. Adjacent side, please. What is adjacent side there? PT.
PT.
What is hypotenuse there?
PS.
SP. PT by SP.
PS.
PS. Okay. Now, how can we split that PT? You tell me, please. PT can be split as PQ. PT can be split as PQ minus TQ.
PT.
Yeah, let me write that.
QT.
PQ minus
QT.
TQ. Divided by PS.
PS.
Splitting the LCM.
By PS.
Now, PQ, if you see PQ is adjacent side to the triangle below. What is its corresponding hypotenuse, please? PR. That's good. So I don't have PR, so divided and multiplied.
Into PR.
PR.
By PS.
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 Minus. What is equivalent height of equivalent length of TQ, please?
UR.
UR.
So what is corresponding hypotenuse of UR, please? Corresponding hypotenuse of UR.
SR.
UR by SR.
SR. UR by SR into SR by PS.
SR by PS. Correct.
PS.
Now let us write that. It is done now. It is done. Come on, tell me. PQ by PR, please. PQ. Where is PQ here? PQ by PR.
Cos A.
Cos A. That's good. Similarly, what is PR by PS? This one PR by PS.
Cos
Cos B.
Cos B. Minus UR. UR by SR.
sin A.
Sin A.
Sin A.
sin B.
Sin B.
sin A sin B.
SR by PS sin B.
SR by PS. Sin B.
Hence proved.
So that's all. So your cos of A plus B is very clearly. Cos of A plus B is very clearly cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. You have to remember that. For cos of A plus B, you are getting minus in between. A plus B, you are getting minus in between. For sin of A plus B, you are getting plus in between. So we have derived both the formula now. Sin of A plus B and cos of A plus B. Let us understand what is sin of A plus B. Again, sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Cos A sin
And the
B.
second one is cos of A plus B
of A plus
is
B
equal to cos A cos B minus sin A.
sin A sin B.
Yes, every one of you, please remember these two formulae, and then now what I do, I'll make you to understand the rest of all the 30 formulae, whatever the number it is, I'll make you to understand the remaining formulae only from these two formulae, just understand it please. Okay, so